The 2016 BMW 7 Series. Explanation of navigation. There are several ways to enter a destination in the navigation system. These can be quickly accessed by pressing the Nav button on the iDrive controller or by selecting Navigation from the main menu. From here, you can enter a new destination or add an intermediate destination by using a variety of input methods such as home address, recent destinations, points of interest, contacts, and GPS coordinates. To begin navigation to a specific address, select Enter Address and fill in all or some of the input fields. For your convenience, the city and state will already be populated based on your last destination. To change these fields, select the input area and fill in the new information. Keep in mind that all fields do not need to be filled in order to get a result. Use the intersection option to guide you to a street intersection. You can also set a destination by using the Recent Destinations menu. This feature displays a list of previously entered destinations or points of interest. Select Enter New Destination to use the Quick Search feature. Here you can fill in places, addresses, points of interest, or categories. It's a quick way to come to a result without having to type in all lines of the address. The intelligence searches for an address based on your location and a mixture of street names, places, points of interest, and category search. To add another destination to your trip, select Add Intermediate Destination. This additional destination will automatically be added as a waypoint along your route. You can personalize several features of your navigation display. While in Map View, press the Option button on the iDrive controller. Next, select Navigation Settings. Here you can choose the map style, day or night mode, route settings, and receive traffic information. The new intuitive touchscreen and layout can be used much like a tablet or mobile device. Touch to make a selection. Swipe sideways to move between menus. Scroll up and down. Pinch zoom on the map scale to zoom in or out. And touch and drag with one finger to move the map in any direction. Use the keyboard speller to enter numbers and letters. When navigating to a destination, detailed turn information with traffic can be displayed in split screen using Arrow Display. To personalize split screen configuration, scroll to the last menu and select Personalize menu. Under Arrow Display, you can select to show traffic info and add additional information such as toll gates, tunnels, and borders. If traffic info is active, the Arrow Display function on the split screen will display color-coded traffic information using 4 segment bars. Scroll through the tabs to view upcoming maneuvers and events along your trip. From the main menu, select Navigation, Enter New Destination, then Quick Search. It can also be accessed from any menu by pressing the Nav button on the iDrive controller. Quick Search not only allows you to enter addresses, but also places, names, and points of interest. It's a quick way to come to results without having to type in all lines of the address or step through a structured menu. You can enter state and city, street address, keyword, or category. When entering a point of interest, suggestions will be listed based on distance from your location. Select your choice and navigation will begin. The onboard navigation system will receive automatic map updates every 3 months for streets, addresses, points of interest, and new route construction. These updates occur automatically over the year. To personalize the navigation map, access the Map View settings by shifting left with the controller from the Map View and activate the toolbar. Next, scroll down and choose Map Views. You'll see a split menu. The top menu items allow you to set up your view direction. You can choose North View, Directional View, or Perspective of Travel. The lower menu items help you personalize your map view and the information that appears on your map. auto zoom with information label, manual zoom, or route overview. When auto zoom with info label is selected, labels will be attached at the maneuver points on the map. These labels appear along the route and contain turn information, distance to the next turn, and street information. Your location and the labels are always in a vertical line. Lane guidance label displays the available lanes and automatically highlight the lane you should use. Manual zoom maintains the map scale you choose throughout your trip. Route overview displays your full route, including your current position and destination. To activate or deactivate split screen, press Option on the controller and check the box for split screen. Now you will be able to scroll through the different display content options and make your selection. To configure how much information you see on the map, activate the toolbar from the map view and scroll down to select map content. You can check points of interest, traffic flow, traffic icons, weather, and satellite images. In review, you can make selections and enter search fields within the iDrive navigation system by using the touchscreen or the iDrive touch controller. Touch the screen to make a selection. When an input field is required, the keyboard speller will be displayed. In Map View, you can change the map scale by pinching and zooming. You can also move the map in any direction by touching the screen with one finger and dragging it in that direction. Come test drive the 2016 BMW 7 Series at Boris Said's Center of Excellence, BMW of Murrieta. You have just watched video number 4, Navigation. Be sure and check out the other BMW 7 Series videos.